welcome to my channel. Today we're using Circuit Scribe that we got with school money at a weird website. And the first thing we made we couldn't do, we got this pen.
How does it work? What is it?
You can make things light up and
Do the switch.
And it's really fun, and I got basic, ages 8 and up.
How does it work?
What
do you need to do to make it work?
You draw lines and circles under this magnet. What if I want to do it on the fridge.
And when if the lines aren't connected, what happens?
And nothing's going to work.
Then the circuits are not connected?
If we do this.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good test. Do that. Oh, it doesn't work. Now make it work. How do you do it?
Let me just
Oh, now they're connected. And
we got something that does nothing.
Well, it's off.
Oh, let's just put it on.
Turn it on. There you go.
Let's just let it blink. No, I don't want it. I want it straight.
So what do you think this is supposed to teach us?
Science?
Science? Science!
Science.
What about science?
I don't know.
Is this how electrical currents work? How electricity goes from one spot to another?
Hello, tube in the wall.
Okay. These are kind of like the wires in our house, right? That take electricity from one room to another. Right?
Yeah.
And if they're not connected properly, then, like you showed us, it doesn't work, right? And we can create our own designs and basic switches and push button switches, and we learn about resistance and flashing lights and electricity, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool stuff. Okay.
Hello. Bye.